Πρώτα, we can start now our workshop. Dear colleagues and dear partners from the University of Craiova, the Faculty of Horticulture, and from the University of Bari, the Faculty of the Department of Agricultural Sciences and Environmental, if I say it well. You are welcome to our meeting, to our workshop concerning the Erasmus mobilities from our students, our staff, our teachers, with the University of Craiova and with the University of Bari. I would like to welcome also our director from our department, Professor Eleni Vogiadzi, and to welcome to the director of the Europe Direct project from the Bureau of the Region of Thessaly, Mr. Hadjikamagiannis. Let's start from one short hello from our director, my colleague, Professor Eleni Vogiadzi. Eleni, ένα χαιρετισμό. In Greek.
Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. Καταρχάς, θα ήθελα να ευχαριστήσω για την τιμή να με καλέσετε σε αυτή την εκδήλωση, που τη θεωρώ πάρα πολύ σημαντική. Να συγχαρώ για πολλοστή φορά τον αγαπητό συνάδελφο, τον κύριο Παπαχατζή, για την πρωτοβουλία για αυτή τη δράση, την οποία θεωρώ εξαιρετική, γιατί ακριβώς αυτές οι δράσεις έχουν να κάνουν με όλο το πνεύμα του Πανεπιστημίου. Το Πανεπιστήμιο είναι ένας χώρος που πέρα από τις τυπικές τεχνολογικές γνώσεις τις οποίες μπορεί να παρέχει, είναι και ένας χώρος ελεύθερης διακίνησης των ιδεών, αλλά και ένας χώρος ελεύθερης διακίνησης του ανθρώπινου δυναμικού. Αυτό σημαίνει ότι μεταξύ των χωρών, είτε της Ευρωπαϊκής Ένωσης, κυρίως της Ευρωπαϊκής Ένωσης, η μετακίνηση του ανθρώπινου δυναμικού, δηλαδή τόσο και των καθηγητών όσο και των φοιτητών, είναι πάρα πολύ σημαντική, γιατί μπορεί να γνωρίσουν ένθεν και ένθεν διάφορες τεχνικές, αλλά κυρίως το σημαντικότερο είναι να δουν διαφορετικές νοοτροπίες στην αντιμετώπιση θεμάτων που έχουν να κάνουν με τη γεωπονία. Γνωρίζουμε πολύ καλά ότι ο κύριος Παπαχατζής είναι ένας από τους ανθρώπους ο οποίος αγωνίζεται για τη γεωπονική επιστήμη χρόνια τώρα και τη στηρίζει με όλες τις δυνάμεις. Θεωρώ ότι είναι πολύ αξιόλογη αυτή η ενέργεια και θα πρέπει να τη στηρίξουμε, γιατί είναι πάρα πολύ σημαντική και για το τμήμα μας, το οποίο τώρα κάνει τα πρώτα του βήματα. Βέβαια, η συνεργασία τόσο με το Πανεπιστήμιο της Κραϊόβα, όσο και με το Πανεπιστήμιο του Μπάρι, είναι πολύ παλιά. Προσωπικά είχα συμμετάσχει σε 3 κύκλους του μεταπτυχιακού που έκανε ο κύριος Γούλας σε συνεργασία με το Πανεπιστήμιο του Μπάρι. Και επιπλέον με το Πανεπιστήμιο της Κραϊόβα έχουμε μια συνεργασία στο οποίο αποστέλουμε διάφορες ερευνητικές εργασίες και ούτω καθεξής. Εύχομαι να επιτύχει αυτό το εγχείρημα, κύριε Παπαχατζή, και πραγματικά θεωρώ πολύ αξιόλογη αυτή την πρωτοβουλία και τη δράση και τη χαιρετίζω και θεωρώ ότι είναι μία από τις δράσεις που χρειάζεται, ειδικά το τμήμα μας, που είναι ένα νέο τμήμα, είναι δράση εξωστρέφειας, μέσω της οποίας το τμήμα μας μπορεί να αναδειχθεί σε πανευρωπαϊκό επίπεδο. Συγχαρητήρια και εύχομαι κάθε επιτυχία. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Και εμείς ευχαριστούμε, κυρία Βουγιατζή. Κύριε Σδουρουλιά, θα μπορούσατε λίγο να μεταφράσετε στα Ιταλικά, μιας και οι δύο εκλεκτοί συνεργάτες από τα ξένα πανεπιστήμια καταλαβαίνουν ο ένας είναι Ιταλός, αλλά μιλάει και η κυρία Ποπέσκου Ιταλικά, οπότε την κεντρική ιδέα από το λόγο, από το χαιρετισμό της κυρίας Βουγιατζή.
Professore, mi sente? Signor Viaggio, mi sente?
Signora Popescu.
Sì,
ti sento.
Ecco, allora, È stato un saluto dalla signora, della professoressa Vogliaggi, anche lei è una professoressa all'Università ormai di Thessaly. Stava spiegando il ruolo del professor Papakadis, che già è stato cominciato una cosa nuova ormai, che l'Università di Thessaly, in collaborazione con l'Università di Bari e con l'Università di Craiova, tireranno avanti tutto questo progetto che riguarda l'Erasmus. La professoressa Vogliaggi ha detto che ormai è una collaborazione che non è nuova, è una collaborazione che ormai proviene dal passato, da anni fa, quando lei aveva conosciuto anche il professor Gulas, anche gli altri professori di qui dell'università. Così, con una nuova mentalità, ormai continuiamo avanti in una nuova collaborazione che potrà portare avanti tutti questi progetti che abbiamo realizzato. In breve, così gli ho detto un po' il significato, quello che ha detto la signora Vogliaggi.
Grazie.
Okay. Thank you so much, all of you. And as I saw, Mr. Hatzikamaganis from the Europe Direct Bureau is also joining the meeting. Could you present the Bureau of Europe Direct, Mr. Hatzikamaganis, in Greek or in English, as you wish? Ναι, κύριε Χατζικαμαγιάννη. Κύριε Γούλα.
Ναι, ο κύριος Χατζικαμαγιάννης δεν ξέρω, ίσως δεν μας ακούει. Θα επικοινωνήσω μαζί του.
Ωραία.
Βλέπω μάλλον έχει κολλήσει ο ήχος, οπότε αν θέλετε μπορούμε να προχωρήσουμε στο επόμενο.
We have a small problem with from Europe Direct Bureau. Anyway, I'll make one...
Κύριε Παπαχατζή, συγγνώμη, βλέπω τον κύριο Χατζικαμαγιάννη, πρέπει να μας ακούει τώρα.
Κύριε Χατζικαμαγιάννη, μας ακούτε? Ωραία, δεν πειράζει. Ας κάνω εγώ μια μικρή εισαγωγή. First of all, I would like to thanks Europe Direct Bureau. It's not the first time. Personally, I have collaborated with them 5 years ago in one international symposium that they support me. And now is the first time that, as a new department, that we collaborate. And next week, we'll have also a new road show with Europe Direct Bureau. Please allow me to speak in Greek also for our student. Θα ήθελα να καλωσορίσω λοιπόν και τον κύριο Χατζικαμαγιάννη, τον διευθυντή από το Europe Direct γραφείο της Περιφέρειας Θεσσαλίας, με τον οποίο βέβαια έχουμε ένα μικρό πρόβλημα, παρόλο που έχει συνδεθεί, αλλά δεν μπορούμε να τον ακούσουμε. Σύντομα θα τον ακούσουμε και να πω ότι ευχαριστούμε το γραφείο Europe Direct, το οποίο υποστηρίζει αυτή την εκδήλωση τη σημερινή, αλλά να πω ότι δεν είναι και η πρώτη φορά που έχουμε συνεργαστεί. Προσωπικά εγώ έχω ξανασυνεργαστεί πριν 5 χρόνια με το γραφείο του Europe Direct σε ένα διεθνές συνέδριο που είχα διοργανώσει στο νησί της Σκοπέλου για το δαμάσκηνο σκοπέλου και γενικώς για την καλλιέργεια της σκοπέλου. Βέβαια, η συνεργασία μας με το Europe Direct Bureau, γραφείο, δεν σταματάει εδώ. Την επόμενη εβδομάδα το πρόγραμμα Europe Direct της Ελλάδος, όλα τα γραφεία δηλαδή του Europe Direct, διοργανώνουν το road show που θα αφορά την νεανική επιχειρηματικότητα. Σε αυτό το road show που θα σας ανακοινώσω σύντομα την ημερομηνία, ή 16-18 θα είναι, αφορά όλους τους νέους, όλους τους φοιτητές μας, οι οποίοι θέλουν να ασχοληθούν επιχειρηματικά μετά την αποφοίτησή τους και όχι μόνο. Η συμμετοχή δικιά μου θα είναι για το ρόλο της κυκλικής οικονομίας στην αγροτική νεανική επιχειρηματικότητα. Οπότε, σύντομα θα τα πούμε και από εκεί. Τώρα, να δώσω το λόγο, μάλλον, να αρχίσουμε την περιγραφή από τα συνεργαζόμενα πανεπιστήμια. Εγώ θα μιλήσω τελευταίος για το δικό μας. Dear Simona, I was looking forward for this moment for you to start this presentation. To start with.
So I'm the first one to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're starting with the University of Craiova, and after that.
Okay, I will try to share a screen with a short introduction of our university in Craiova. Hope it works. So let me know if you see something.
It's perfect. Yes.
Okay.
Αρχαιοελληνικό το αέτομα βλέπω στο Πανεπιστήμιο της Κραϊόβα.
Νεοκλασικό, βέβαια.
Okay, so University of Craiova is a part of Craiova city. We are located in the south part of Romania, bordered by the Danube River. So we border with Bulgaria and Serbia. So we are very close to the border here. So of course, naturally, we have many transnational programs regarding the Danube River. The University of Craiova, was founded in the year 1947, so it goes way back. It is the main high-profile institution of higher education in the southwest part of Romania. And we offer fields in study programs as the bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degree. So we have 104 bachelor's degree programs and 98 master's degree, doctoral degrees in 26 areas of study. Because we are a mixed university, so we have 12 faculties, like Faculty of Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Economics and Business Administration, Faculty of Law, Physical Education and Sports, Horticulture, Agronomy, Social Sciences, Letters, Automation and Computers, and Orthodox Theology. So I think we have everything here. Also, we have some study programs in foreign languages, like Electrical Engineering in English, Law, Automation, Computers and Electronics, Economics and Business Administration, Letters, Mechanical Engineering, Sciences or Physics. So these programs are also for our regular Romanian students, but also for foreign students that want to study here at our university. We have over 900 teaching staff members and over 19,000 students. 2 university centers. The big one is, of course, in Craiova, and we have another center in Drobeta Turnul Severin. It's a city 2 hours away from Craiova with the border with Serbia. 3 autonomous academic departments, 41 research centers, 1 doctoral school with 26 domains, 4 university campuses, 15 students dormitories, and 2 canteens. Of course, we have our own TV station, radio station, a publishing house, 3 foreign lectorates, and other facilities. We provide Romanian summer courses, Romanian language preparatory year, Romanian language courses for international students, of course, free of charge for our Erasmus students. The International Relations Office, I have to mention, I'm not an International Relations officer, I'm a teaching staff for the Faculty of Horticulture. So, of course, we have the Erasmus office with 4 administrative staff, 1 Erasmus financial coordinator, and each faculty of the university has its own Erasmus coordinator. So I'm the Erasmus coordinator for the Faculty of Horticulture. That's why I'm presenting to you today. We have like international activities. I think everybody has like the key actions, Erasmus grants, CEPUS, and other programs. And here we have some photos of our campuses. Here we have the agronomy campus, the electrical engineer campus, faculty of law, faculty of mechanical engineering, and here we have student dormitory. I have to mention that the Erasmus students will stay. I think this is interesting for the students, right? They want to know where they will stay. They will be accommodated in one room with just 2 students that have its own bathroom, a TV, a fridge, and all the facilities they need. And I have to say, I think very good news for the students here in Romania. All the students have free public transportation. That includes bus, tram, and even train. So of course it applies to our Erasmus students also. And here we have some photos from our lovely city. In the middle, of course, it's the university because it's right in the middle of the city where all the action is, and also some photos from our city. I have to say about the Faculty of Horticulture that we have majors like horticulture, of course, food science, landscaping, environmental engineering, and biology. And so far we have a very great and successful collaboration with the University of Thessaly. And every year we exchange students for bachelor's, master's, and also PhD. So I hope we continue our great collaboration, even in a pandemic condition. So this was my short presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me.
Thank you so much, Simona. Unfortunately, it was short, your presentation.
Yes, I'm sorry about that, but I got the notice very, very late about this workshop, so that's why.
The truth is that we have long collaboration with the University of Craiova, with your department. Collaboration lasting for the last 20 years, I can say. Only this year, COVID-19 interrupted this collaboration from a distance. We organized together your annual symposium also.
Symposium, yes.
And we have many students from us and from you coming for students' mobility.
And also academic staff. Also, we have.
Of course, I'm the first to the top of the list.
Yes, of course.
Now is your turn to visit us. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Professor Biagio, now is your turn. Is the turn of Italy to have a presentation of the University of Bari from your department. Just allow me to say a few words in Greek with your collaboration the last years, and immediately you will start speaking, Professor Biagio. Με το Πανεπιστήμιο
Ο καθηγητής τώρα μου είπε θα κάνει απλό ένα χαιρετισμό, γιατί δεν έχει μια παρουσίαση του πανεπιστημίου που μας έκανε την Κρaiova, αλλά από το δικό του το τμήμα, κατάλαβες.
Ωραία, να παρουσιάσει το δικό του το τμήμα, με το οποίο έχουμε και να μας πει τι δυνατότητες έχει το τμήμα, ξέρει 5 πράγματα.
Ναι.
Ωραία.
Professore, mi sente? Pronto?
Sì, dimmi Teodoro.
Niente, in breve io ho spiegato quello che lei mi ha detto, semplicemente professore Papagagis mi ha detto così che lei ci potrebbe 2 parole per le ricerche che fa il suo reparto.
Io questo posso dire.
Ecco, appunto, αυτό μπορώ να πω.
Perché sono stato avvisato tardi.
Γιατί και ειδοποιήθηκα, λέει, τελευταία στιγμή, οπότε μπορώ να μιλήσω κάτι για το δικό μου το τμήμα.
Ωραία. Απλά δώστε μου 1 λεπτό, πες τον Professor Biaggi, να πούμε αυτά που είπε και η κυρία Βογιατζή, να τα επαναλάβω και εγώ, ότι με το Πανεπιστήμιο του Μπάρι, με το τμήμα το συγκεκριμένο, έχουμε και με αυτό μακρόχρονη συνεργασία. Κυρία Βογιατζή, από το 2005, νομίζω, από πότε...
Όχι, νωρίτερα νομίζω.
Να το πω λίγο,
Ναι, εγώ ήμουνα στο Συμβούλιο του Μεταπτυχιακού για 3 κύκλους των μεταπτυχιακών που έγιναν σε συνεργασία με τον Μπάρι και με το τότε τμήμα ζωικής παραγωγής εδώ, και είχα το αντικείμενο των αρωματικών και φαρμακευτικών φυτών. Είχαμε φοιτητές οι οποίοι έκαναν ένα διάστημα εδώ τις μεταπτυχιακές σπουδές τους και στη συνέχεια πήγαν και στον Μπάρι, όπου ολοκλήρωσαν για ένα εξάμηνο τις μεταπτυχιακές σπουδές τους. Και μετά έκαναν τη διατριβή τους, βέβαια. Νομίζω δεν είναι από το 2005, νομίζω ότι είναι νωρίτερα. Δεν θυμάμαι ακριβώς. Πάντως ήταν macroχρoni sinargasia.
Κύριε Σδουρούλια, μπορείτε να το πείτε αυτό.
Professore, il signor Papagaggi semplicemente mi sta dicendo che hanno fatto un piccolo riferimento la collaborazione che hanno avuto le due università che risale da parecchi anni fa. Non una cosa nuova, una cosa che viene dal passato.
Sì.
La signora Voghiaggi, che c'era anche da allora, ha detto, mi ricordo, dice che con l'università, in grosso modo, di Bari, ne abbiamo cominciato una collaborazione. Non ha precisato, anzi la signora professoressa sulle cose che si stanno coltivando per aromatici. Ecco, niente, mi ha detto ha fatto una presentazione semplicemente dell'università. Io gli ho spiegato che lei non parlerà, non dirà qualcosa per l'università, semplicemente per il suo reparto.
Io ho una presentazione sulla mia attività di ricerca.
Εγώ μπορώ να κάνω μια παρουσίαση στην δική μου δραστηριότητα της έρευνας που κάνω.
Sono stato avvisato tardi, stamattina me l'ha detto la professoressa D'Alessandro.
Με την προφεσορέσα την Αλεσάνδρο, την οποία υπήρχε παλιά συνεργασία, με ειδοποίησε σήμερα το πρωί, γιατί αυτή είχε μια σειρά από ανηλυμένες υποχρεώσεις.
Με την κυρία Αλεσάνδρο είχαμε συνεργασία, ναι, το θυμήθηκα το όνομα.
La signora mi sta dicendo con la signora Alessandro avevamo la collaborazione, ora mi sono ricordato il suo nome.
Ma io pensavo venisse lei.
Ήλπιζα να έρθει αυτή, λέει, αλλά εντάξει, ανηλυμένες υποχρεώσεις δεν τις επέτρεψαν.
Ho delle slide sulla mia attività di ricerca.
Εγώ έχω, λέει, λοιπόν, στη δική μου δραστηριότητα, στη δική μου έρευνα.
Non della mia università, della mia università io non ho niente.
Όχι, από το πανεπιστήμιο δεν έχω κάτι, αλλά έχω μόνο από το δικό μου τμήμα, μου λέει Αλέκο.
Εντάξει, μας πει αυτό.
Sì, va bene, sì. Possiamo sentire qualcosa della sua attività.
Va bene.
Ok, let's start. You can start, professor.
Possiamo cominciare, professore?
Ok. Okay, good afternoon. My department is a technical department of University of Bari Aldo Moro. Professoressa D'Alessandro is the referent of the agreement with your university. My department is especially study especially food technology, food safety, innovation in safety, olive oil production, wine production, and cheese, but only not technologies, only engineering aspects, environmental impact of biomasses, preserving and developing of arboreal cultivation, innovation in agronomy, wood technology, farm architecture and landscape. In particular, the mechanical area study, I am in this area, studies application in food industry, included wastewater purifying and byproducts. When it is possible, we carry out our research on machines and plant in real scale. And I must remind you that the goal of the machines and of the plants is to synthesize a multitude of production needs and experimental results of other fields. This research is quite difficult also because the variables of the full-scale processes must be isolated and controlled by but it is also true that that the obtained scientific results can be really used by companies. For example, in this project, we designed and tested a prototype for a tunnel type sprayer specific for Apulian cultivars of grape. In the same project, we evaluated the inrush current during the work cycle of pneumatic presses for pneumatic wine presses, and we also designed a flexible refrigeration plant for grape, but also other products. It uses carbon dioxide as a refrigerant fluid, and then it has a very low environmental impact. You can see that that in each cell there is a different airflow system, so we can control the different evolutions of the storage product. In the same project, we evaluated in another project on olive oil. We studied and designed and tested a hydraulic electroproportional transmission for ergonomics movements of a bee elevator machine used for pruning plants. In the same project, we studied the performances of a particular decanter, which produce olive oil and two solid phases. Pomace having pits and low moisture, and a pulp made up of pitted pomace and vegetable water, which are more easy to manage by products. This machine has also an electromechanical transmission that produces energy when the screw rotates. Then its consumption is lower. So in the same study, we designed and test the prototype of a machine for field spreading of vegetable water in terms of Italian law. It has a system proportional to the progress speed. In same study, this I don't see. Yes, this one. The first industrial anaerobic digestion plant in the world, which processes only olive oil byproducts. It is about 100 electric kilowatts, and the inlet polyphenol content was considered toxic by scientific literature for methanogenic bacteria. Of course, in the olive oil chain, we study all the machines: crusher, malaxer, decanter, separator. You can see a prototype of a malaxer with a gas supply system and many sensors to monitor the paste during the malaxing phase. We also study a model of new shapes of the mixing elements that was tested in real scale. We are studying also how to make continuous malaxing phase. Here you can see a prototype of plant where ultrasounds, microwaves, and heat exchange are combined. And here, and here microwaves and high frequency ultrasound are combined. Are about to start 4 agreements with private companies, brewery, dairy farms, pasta factory, to carry out a program of research and technological development for energy efficiency, included Industry 4.0. To end, recently we have filed 2 industrial patents, but we filed in our department many patents, also specific cultivar for super intensive olive cultivation. These patents are one of these patents is about a fast pyrolytic process without dioxin production, then with low environmental impact, and the other one is about a cryogenic system for the treatment of the gas mixtures, including biogas or syngas, to obtain a low-cost biomethane, hydrogen, carbon oxide, and highly purified gaseous dioxide. They are considerable commercial interest to many international companies. So I have finished. I have to say only that as a boy I attended the classic high school. Also today I only remember the Greek alphabet. I'm sorry.
I'm astonished from your presentation, Professor Bianchi, and because most of them are to my on horticulture specialization, the olive decanter, Pieralisi. Is it Pieralisi?
Pieralisi is one
Exactly.
factory in Bari. We have Amenduni Group, which is probably actually the number one in the world. Also first Pieralisi.
Both of them, I see. So we have to encouraging and to enhancing and to strengthening our collaboration because all the three departments from Craiova also, from Bari, from Larissa, are very close with common interests. And Professoressa Popescu, do you agree?
Yes, of course, I agree. Our collaboration, like you said, it goes way back, and it's in this field of horticulture, especially fruit trees, nut trees. Also, we have grapevine here in Romania. That is also good, almost like Italian, or maybe better. Who knows?
Yeah.
Romania is producing the brandy.
Yes.
I see.
Εξήγησέ του, Αλέκο, ότι προσυδειάζει απόλυτα στο γνωστικό αντικείμενο του τμήματός μας.
Αυτό έλεγα. Our Professor Bianchi, our department is Agricultural Agrotechnology.
Yes.
So,
Exactement.
Praticamente lo stesso dipartimento.
I'm proposing you to come to teach to our department. Του είπα να έρθει να διδάξει.
Θα μπορούσε, ξέρεις, στο μεταπτυχιακό που τρέχει να τον καλέσουμε, αν βέβαια θέλει, και να δώσει εξ αποστάσεως μία διάλεξη για όλα αυτά που λέει εκεί. Είναι φοβερά ενδιαφέροντα.
From now, you have open invitation to have a lecture to our postgraduate course about aromatical and medicinal plants.
Την ολοκληρωμένη διαχείριση που έχει αυτή τη μεταποίηση στην οποία αναφέρεται.
And management of these plants. Okay. Thank you so much, Professor. Now you can stop sharing your screen. Professor Bianchi, you can stop share your screen. And okay. So the director of the Bureau Europe Direct is finally with us, and he has to address a short message. Mr. Hadjikamagyanis. Κύριε Χατζικαμαγιάννη, ο λόγος σε εσάς. Κάντε unmute το μικρόφωνο σας. Ωραία.
Ο δαίμονας της τεχνολογίας δυστυχώς δεν μου επέτρεψε να ακούσω την εισαγωγή και τα...
Θα το δείτε μαγνητοσκοπημένο.
Δυστυχώς συνδέθηκα από τη μέση και μετά μπόρεσα να έχω ήχο. Εν πάση περιπτώσει, πάντως θα ήθελα να χαιρετήσω την προσπάθεια που κάνετε εσείς οι καθηγητές των πανεπιστημίων γενικότερα για ενημέρωση των φοιτητών και θεωρήστε ότι για μας, για το δικό μας κέντρο, Europe Direct της Περιφέρειας της Θεσσαλίας, η στήριξή μας με οποιοδήποτε μέσο στην προσπάθεια αυτή είναι μονόδρομος. Το Europe Direct στέκεται στο πλευρό τέτοιων εκδηλώσεων, των φορέων για τέτοιες εκδηλώσεις και στόχος μας γενικότερα είναι η ανάδειξη εκείνων των δυναμικών ώστε να ενισχυθεί η δημιουργική αξιοποίηση της γνώσης στους τομείς της έρευνας και της καινοτομίας. Σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ για τη συνεργασία που έχουμε και που θα έχουμε από εδώ και πέρα. Γιατί είναι
που είχαμε.
Εξάλλου, είχαμε κάνει και άλλες εκδηλώσεις στο παρελθόν για το πρόγραμμα Erasmus και εύχομαι όλες αυτές οι προσπάθειες που κάνετε και που κάνουμε να ευωδώσουμε. Σας ευχαριστώ.
Εδώ θέλω να σας, πέρα από το να σας ευχαριστήσω, να σας υπενθυμίσω κιόλας κάτι το οποίο ανέφερα πριν συνδεθείτε, ότι η συνεργασία μας ξεκίνησε από το 2015 με το Διεθνές Συνέδριο για το Δαμάσκηνο που έγινε στο νησί της Σκοπέλου.
Σκοπέλου, ακριβώς.
Λοιπόν, με τα Erasmus, με το σημερινό Erasmus που είναι το πρώτο για το τμήμα, αλλά δεν θα σταματήσει εδώ η συνεργασία μας όπως τους ανέφερα, γιατί από εβδομάδα έχουμε και το Road Show για την νεανική επιχειρηματικότητα.
Θα χαρούμε πάρα πολύ να σας ακούσουμε.
Εντάξει, δεν ξέρω αν χαρείτε που θα ακούσετε και εμένα, αλλά
γιατί όχι.
μιας και συμμετάσχω κι εγώ, αλλά σίγουρα θα υπάρχει μεγάλη συμμετοχή από όλη την ακαδημαϊκή κοινότητα.
Έτσι ακριβώς.
So, before I have to take the speech now and to present our university. I'm the last. Let me share our screen. Okay. Welcome again from Erasmus Bureau and from our department, and of course from Europe Direct Bureau that is supporting this activity. And to have a short presentation of the University of Thessaly. Our previous university, technological university, was Technological Educational Institute, TEI of Thessaly. After the merge of TEI of Thessaly with the University of Thessaly, the two last years, now 5 cities in the central Greece are participating to the University of Thessaly. This picture next of the sea is Volos, where the administration of University of Thessaly is established. This was the most ancient theater in Greece, is Larissa, is the central of Larissa. Karditsa city here on the left, down left, is participating. In the down central is Trikala city, and left down right is Lamia. So I'm continuing here. University of Thessaly was founded in 1984. Is the 3rd biggest university in Greece, with 8 schools and 37 departments. More than 100 undergraduate and postgraduate programs, PhD programs, more than 42,000 undergraduate students, more than 4,000 postgraduate students and about 1,500 PhD students. And almost around 1,000 teaching and research staff. As you can see to the map of Greece, University of Thessaly is the University of Central Greece, I can say. Is situated, established in Central Greece. This is the heart of Greece, where all the roads are crossing. You can see that we have School of Humanities and Social Sciences, School of Engineering, and School of Agricultural, sorry, what I done? Yeah, and the School of Agricultural Sciences with the Department of Agricultural Crop Production and Rural, I have to go back again, Rural Environment, Department of Ichthyology and Aquatic Environment, and School of Economics. Here is not mentioned because it's brand new. Our department, that is the Department of Agricultural Agrotechnology, but you can see it later on. And two more schools of Economics and Business and School of Engineering. University of Thessaly in Larissa now. Maybe some of them recognize our campus. This is the campus of former TEI of Thessaly in Larissa. Now, the name of this campus is Geopolis and is more than 150 hectares, the total area of the campus. This is the University Hospital and the School of Biochemistry and Similar Sciences. Viopolis is the name of these two campuses. The schools and the departments of in Larissa. This is the School of Health Sciences in Viopolis. There is also Faculty of Nursing in Geopolis in our campus, and this is our some schools to our campus of Geopolis. This is the in Geopolis also the School of Technology, and this down left is our new building of Department of Agricultural Agrotechnology, and next of this building is the Animal Science, Department of Animal Sciences. And down left, with this red jacket, was me and my students several years ago to the plant propagation laboratory. So this is the University of Thessaly in Karditsa, close to Larissa, is the veterinary faculty, food sciences faculty, and the Department of Forestry and Wood Sciences and Design. And last is in Trikala city is the Department of Physical Education for fitness, and Department of Nutrition and Dietitian. And next of Trikala city, something that is very interesting for you is the monasteries of Meteora, on the rocks of Meteora. It's an amazing view and very picturesque. The facilities, for sure, the students of University of Craiova from the horticultural department, they have discovered the facilities of our dormitory houses, 2-bed rooms or single rooms with separate bathroom, some of them with air conditioning, with restaurant, security guarding all over the day and the night, and of course campuses, churches, and restaurants and buffets. Internet connection all over the campus, wireless connection, and with wires also with connection. And here are several departments and schools, close football and basket stadium, and for several activities. In Larissa is also Mountain Olympus, where we have several activities, and also to West Greece with rafting and and skiing also, not to Mountain Olympus, but to other mountains that we have. And the last that we have established is this sorority, let's say, for Erasmus student network, helping the visiting students through Erasmus project to adapt and to better know Larissa and our university. I think that's all. Here are the opinion from some of the foreigner students that spent some time here, and I can recognize 2 or 3 of them that came to our department and expressed the best opinion. The first lady, this upright, is from Plovdiv University, that we have also collaboration, and with agricultural faculty, and also with Poland we have, and with Spain, and several other countries. So keep calm and enjoy quarantine, I could say, because all of us, we are closed because of the quarantine. And that's all, folks. Thank you very much for, let me see how to, okay. I'm trying to disconnect this. Somebody. I cannot. Okay. That's all from me. If you have some questions, thank you again for your participation to our Erasmus Workshop. Simona, you have something ready to say?
No, I'm good. I know everything. So yeah, our students are well, now my students are asking me when they can go back to Erasmus. I have students that want to come to Greece, of course, like every year, but we cannot, because of the quarantine, the pandemic, we cannot go, we cannot do exchange.
Yeah, unfortunately, we stop the exchanges.
Yes, here in Romania, everything started from the beginning of the semester, started online, directly, only online. And yeah, it's very difficult.
I know because my son was candidate to participate in the Erasmus
Yes.
project to your university from the University of Thessaly, Aristotelia.
Yes. Oh, and also I have students that were selected to come to Greece, but they couldn't go. So hopefully next year will get better and we can start again our collaboration.
Professor Bianchi.
Professore, sente?
You have to... Okay.
Yes,
okay.
Sì.
Thank
Potrebbe
you.
dire qualcosa lei? C'ha da dire?
No, ringrazio tutti e li invito a Bari a studiare o a organizzare dei progetti di ricerca insieme.
Πολύ σας ευχαριστώ όλους, εξαίρετα. Σας προσκαλώ στον Μπάρι να συνδιοργανώσουμε μαζί εξαιρετικά σχέδια.
Εμείς τουλάχιστον, κύριε Σδρούλια, τους επισκεφτήκαμε. Τώρα είναι ευκαιρία και οι άλλοι. Πες το.
Αλέκο, αν και το ξέρω το πανεπιστήμιό μας, κάθε φορά, έτσι όπως το έδειξες, πολύ περισσότερο μου άρεσε. Και να σκεφτείς ότι δεν έδειξες τα εργαστήρια μέσα, το τι έχουμε.
Άμα έδειχνα το βίντεο.
Ένα αυτό. Και ένα δεύτερο, δεν έδειξες και κάτι άλλο που είναι ενδιαφέρον. Δεν έδειξες την πλατεία ταχυδρομείου της Λάρισσας, που ενδιαφέρει ίσως τους φοιτητές.
Ας το ανακαλύψουν αυτοί.
Θα το ανακαλύψουν, ναι.
Okay. Our director of the department, Professoressa Eleni Vougadji, had the last speech. Είχε στον τελευταίο λόγο, οπότε να τους πω ότι όλοι είναι... All of you are welcome, not only our students and you personally. Our common Erasmus projects give us the opportunity and the possibility to have teaching mobilities. Professor Bianchi, I send you our agreement that we have. You saw there that still is valid and you can visit us, as I plan also to visit you again. About Craiova.
I hope. But probably Agrilevante will be in the next year.
September, October.
Yeah,
probably.
September, yes.
We have before to organize EIMA. Because the companies have already paid to expose in EIMA, so we have to organize EIMA before and after. I think in the same year Agrilevante, and I invite all.
Allora, prossimo anno andiamo tutti a Italia, a Bologna. D'accordo?
Sì, andiamo.
Το επόμενο ραντεβού θα είναι στη Μπολόνια και στο Μπάρι στην Ιταλία. Okay,
τον επόμενο χρόνο.
Αυτό είπα, ναι. I want to thank you, all of you. It was an exceptional workshop. And I hope to have a meeting together very soon. Thank you so much.
Εμείς ευχαριστούμε, Αλέκο.
Thank you too, Professor. Thank you, all of you. And of course, you are also welcome to Craiova and Romania.
Thank you.
Γεια σας.
Bye-bye.